Good Monday morning, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas weather here on November the 25th, the week of Thanksgiving, here for your look at another daily outlook here. Taking a look at current conditions as of 9 a.m. Temperatures right now are in the mid 60s across most of the area. Still seeing a few lower 50s in the DeQueen area and the Arkadelphia area, but elsewhere we're in the 60s across the coverage area. That trend's going to continue as we go throughout the day, and if we take a look at satellite, pretty much shows that we have some cloudy skies across most of across the northern portion of southwest Arkansas, and they get a little more scattered as you go a little further south there. According to this, we take another look at this, kind of shows more of a better view of looks like more cloudy skies right now. You are going to see probably a mix of clouds and sun as we go throughout the day today. A cold front is on its way, but first, let's talk about what's in store for you the rest of your day today. Forecasted highs today are going to be up there around the from near the El Dorado area, near 80 degrees. We're going to start from the bottom and go up because we got a big major player today in what's going to affect our high temperatures as we go across the area. As you see, a big wide range of high temperatures today across southwest Arkansas. So once again, around 80 degrees, 78 degrees in El Dorado. And then as you go further north, you start to get a little cooler into the mid to lower 70s and into the upper and mid 60s by the time you get up to Mena. The reason for this is we have a cold front that's going to move through the area today as we go throughout the rest of this day today. We're going to be watching for that cold front, and that's really going to play a big factor in what we see temperature-wise, dew point-wise, and all of that as well. So once again, we're going to continue to be watching for that as we go throughout the day today. We do also have a 10% chance of some showers being a possibility. It's not a big chance, but there could be a shower or two as we go throughout the day, or really this afternoon, about that 1 to 4 p.m. time frame as the cold front moves from west to east there as well. High temperatures today are going to peak around that 2 p.m. time frame, followed by a noticeable drop in temperatures by early this evening. Winds are going to shift from the southwest at 10 miles an hour this morning to the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour this afternoon, with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. By this evening, temperatures are going to drop from where you see right now as the forecasted highs down into the 60s and 50s across the area, maybe even to the 40s down there in the Mena area. And let's show you what data is showing with this. This is the HRRR model from this morning. This will show you what potential temperatures could be. Right now, this shows, 50s, 60s as of 7 a.m. But as we go throughout the day today, you'll notice we'll warm up and then we'll cool back down quickly there across the area. So as you see, already could see that cold front move through early there in the Mena area. Temperatures continue to increase, and then that cold front moves through, and by this evening we get cooler down into our colder temperatures. And if we take a look at dew points, they do something very similar. They drop and get drier as we go throughout the day today with this here. So as you see, they pretty much, well, let's see if it'll load. Give me just 1 second here. And then as you see, those dew points drop and get drier as we go throughout the day and continue to be on the drier side of things for your potential forecast there for the day today. Now, as we head into the overnight time frame, you're going to notice that temperatures are going to continue to drop down into the lower to up, or basically in the 30s and maybe even the lower 40s down there near the Magnolia and El Dorado area as we go throughout this time frame. Once again, we're going to continue to watch for any of those small rain chances as we go throughout the day today. But overnight tonight, expect partly cloudy skies. Lows are going to be around the average of 37 degrees. North winds will continue at 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour there as well. Now, taking a look at your 6-day forecast, we can see on Tuesday, expecting mostly sunny skies there on Tuesday with highs around 60 degrees. A noticeable cooler air moves in on Tuesday, and then overnight low is going to be around 39 degrees with a 0% chance of rain. On Wednesday, mostly cloudy skies. We could see mostly cloudy skies there on Wednesday, highs near 70 degrees. And then as we go into the overnight time frame of Wednesday night, 10% chance of an isolated shower or two, mostly cloudy skies, lows around 45 degrees. Then on Thanksgiving, or that Thursday there, a cold front moves through early Thursday morning, keeping the day cooler as we go throughout the day. 10% chance of some showers, mostly cloudy skies, with highs around 53 as your outlook for Thanksgiving. Thursday night, overnight low is going to be in the upper 20s, around 29 degrees, with mostly clear skies. So a nice cold Thanksgiving day as another cold front moves through. Looking towards the weekend, Friday, sunny and cool, highs near 50 degrees. We really get our big cooler air in there on this weekend with highs around 50 degrees and overnight lows in the 20s there on Saturday with partly cloudy skies and highs around 50 degrees there once again. By next week, this isn't in the graphic, but by next week or by next Sunday and Monday, temperatures will continue to trend colder. Once again, highs in the 40s and lows dipping into the 20s. Confidence is high on the overall cold trend, but cloud cover could impact the exact temperatures as we look at that. Now, real quickly, let's show you what potential future casts could look like as we go throughout this week. Remember, this is just one model. This isn't going to be exactly what occurs, but we'll show you this as we move forward with this. As you can see here, this starts off at about 3 a.m. overnight tonight. There's that small, isolated 10% chance of some showers today. And then as we zoom out here, you'll notice pretty much dry conditions, maybe some rain chances, higher rain chances there in eastern Arkansas on the 27th, there on Wednesday night. And then on Thursday, could maybe see some isolated showers or two, or a few isolated showers there. And then we cool off and dry out throughout this time frame as another front moves through there into your December there in the next Sunday. Once again, it's that time of year. Be careful of those pages. They're going to be posting a lot of snowfall maps, stuff of that nature. Data always loves to show that. Long-range data always loves to show that in very far out, and that's usually what we see there with that. Now, taking a look at the overall pattern, let's back this up. We're continuing to see that active pattern. And here's a little bit more of a weather discussion for you. Today's focus is really on cold front number 1. Cold front is moving through Arkansas today. That's going to bring colder and drier air. Highs will climb up into the 70s before temperatures steadily fall later this afternoon. Winds will shift noticeably as the front passes through. Thanksgiving week outlook, another cold front's going to arrive late Wednesday into Thursday and will bring a reinforcing shot of cold air. Expect colder than normal conditions through this weekend. And morning lows will look to drop below freezing across much of the state throughout the end of this upcoming week. Extended freeze potential by the end of the week and early next week. Much of Arkansas will likely see hard freeze conditions, especially in northern and central portions of the area. Southern Arkansas could see its first hard freeze by early next week there as well. But taking a look at the overall pattern, this is the 500 millibar wind outlook. This is about 18,000 feet up into the atmosphere. This usually is where you get your ridges, your troughs. This is what helps you get your weather here in southwest Arkansas, or one of the many pieces that helps basically control what we get down here depending on what we see. But this is a part of basically, you're seeing not a whole lot going on, but we still see a flow over us that's going to help bring us our cooler conditions. And once again, you can see as we go throughout this time frame, not a whole lot, but if we take a look at temperatures, you can see temperatures are going to be on the cooler side of things. You'll see that big reinforcing shot of cold air as we go later into this week, but taking a little regional or countrywide view of potential temperatures based off of this one model. Once again, it's one model, just a general idea, not the exact forecast. But as you see, today that cold front moves through, brings us some cold air, and we kind of stay just a little on the cool side, but we warm back up. And then as we head into that Thursday time frame, another stronger reinforcing shot of cold air looks to move through, and that helps keep cooler temperatures into this weekend and into early next week there as well. So we'll continue to watch that closely and continue to keep you updated with the newest there as well. Once again, that's going to bring us to the end of today's daily outlook. Make sure to check us out over on Facebook and Instagram. We post a lot over there throughout the day as well. I always want to say big thanks to Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, Fort Smith Therapy, Tan Energy, and Nutrition for all they do to help us get this information to you guys. Make sure to check them out over on Facebook. And as always, have a good rest of your Monday. Happy Thanksgiving as well, and see you back here tomorrow morning for another morning outlook. And as always, make sure if you're not following us on Facebook or YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button on YouTube and like this video. And as always, have a good rest of your Monday. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.